Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the GNP and NNP at factor cost. Gross national product at factor cost is the sum of money value of the income produced by and accruing to various factors of production in 1 year in a country. Means gross national product at factor cost is nothing but the summation of rent plus wages plus interest plus profits. Means the income distributed among the four factors of production. That is called as a gross national product at factor cost. In order to arrive at GNP factor cost, we deduct indirect taxes from GNP at market prices and add subsidies to GNP at market prices. GNP at market prices means the market value of the product, means there is an addition of indirect taxes. But while estimating the national income GNP at factor cost, we have to deduct the indirect taxes and there is an addition of subsidies. Why? Because at the time of production, there is only subsidies are given by the government, but there is no addition of direct taxes or indirect taxes by the government. So indirect taxes should be excluded and subsidies should be added while estimating the GNP at factor cost. This is the formula. GNP at factor cost is equal to GNP at market price minus indirect taxes plus subsidies. And if you want to calculate the NNP at factor cost, only one thing you have to do, you have to subtract the depreciation. So that easily you will get the formula of NNP at factor cost. Now we are moving towards the next concept, GDP and NDP at market prices. Gross domestic product, the word itself domestic means the things, goods and services which are produced domestically at domestic level. Means gross domestic product at market price is the gross market value of all final goods and services produced within domestic territory of country during a period of 1 year. Means those goods and services which are produced in a domestic level of the country and their market value. So GDP at market price is equal to GNP minus net income from abroad. So this is the formula of GDP at market price. What is the difference between? There is only one difference between them. GDP is equal to GNP minus net income from abroad. I have already explained the net income from abroad means receipts from foreigners and the payments to foreign. The difference between that is called as a net income from abroad. So GDP at market price is equal to C plus I plus G plus X minus M. This is the formula of GDP at market price. How can you calculate the NDP at market price? So it is very easy. If you want net value, then GDP at market price minus depreciation, you will easily get NDP at market price. Next concept, GDP and NDP at factor cost. Gross domestic product at factor cost is the gross money value of all final goods and services produced within the domestic territory of a country during a 1 year. It is called as a gross domestic product at the factor cost. Means it is the gross money value of all final goods and services. Final goods and services, it is very much important word. It considers about the final goods and services which are produced in a country during a year. That is called as a gross domestic product at factor cost. That factor cost includes amount of subsidy but excludes amount of indirect taxes paid. The formula GDP at factor cost. If you know aware about the GDP of market price, you can deduct the indirect taxes and there is an addition of subsidies. While estimating NDP at factor cost, you have to make the depreciation. So you will get the NDP at factor cost. So it is very easy to understand if you got the basic concept, market price and factor cost. At market price, indirect taxes is added. Therefore, while estimating the at factor cost any national income, you have to deduct indirect taxes and there should have the addition of subsidies. What is the personal income? Personal income is the sum all incomes actually received by all individuals or household from all the sources during a given year. If any individual has a one or more than one sources of income, it is then all the sources are considered in a personal income. So it may be earned or unearned. For example, if I am doing earned income, if I am doing any job, I get the salary. That is called as a earned income, and it is unearned income means if my forefathers has given me any property and if I get the income from that property, if I get any gift, that is called as a unearned income. Also interest on saving, it is unearned income. So personal income, it may be earned income or unearned income. Personal disposable income. Number of time you will heard this concept and it is very much important to understand. Personal disposable income is the part of personal income which is left behind after the payment of personal direct taxes like income tax, personal property taxes, etc. So personal disposable income is equal to personal income minus personal direct taxes. So personal disposable income, it is the part of income which is left behind after the deduction of taxes. It is called as a personal disposable income. Personal disposable income is equal to consumption plus saving. So these are the concepts we have discussed in this lecture. Thank you.